Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my budget-friendly Christmas hot cocoa / coffee bar for you. All right, so we're gonna start off with clearing everything off of this counter and also giving it a good wipe down with a Clorox wipe because I'm gonna keep everything up for a while. Of course, I will move things around to clean, but I just wanna start with a fresh slate. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite holiday drink is, whether you like hot chocolate or coffee or hot apple cider. Let me know what it is down below because I love trying new drinks, although I am a hardcore coffee drinker. All right, so some of the items that I'm putting on my hot cocoa / coffee bar are newly picked up, and some of them I've had for a while or were gifted to me at different times. So I will link as much as I can down below if you are interested, or tell you where it's at so you can go and check it out. And I know that there are a lot of YouTube mamas like me that sit there and kind of move things around over and over again, even since I have moved some things around. So it just kind of is one of those things where you got to keep playing with it. I definitely want to add some garland next to the Coffee Anyone sign just to jazz up that area as well. But definitely when I do my Christmas kitchen clean and decorate with me, you guys will see more of my final product. All right, y'all, so if you still need some hot chocolate, make sure you go to Costco because they have these Swiss Miss boxes. It's 50 packs in a box for, I believe it's on sale right now for $3.99 for this week. And then it goes back to like $6 or $7, which is still a really good deal for 5 packets. I also need to go to Costco and pick up some new K-Cups. I think I'm going to get the Starbucks Holiday Blend to fill my tin once I go through these, because I will go through these pretty quickly. So I think that this snowman thing is a wine holder, but instead I am using it as a candle holder, and I'm putting in one of these Glade candles that I picked up to give me some winter vibes. And this is how my coffee / hot cocoa bar turned out for now. I'm gonna pick up some garland to jazz up the top of that, and who knows what else will be added to this space. All right, it's time to make some hot cocoa. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it gave you some motivation to decorate a space in your house. I would love for you to leave me a comment down below, smash that like button, and subscribe.